Finally, she came. I know you miss how I gave it to you.
Oh, please, Charles. Don't just fool yourself. I only came because I don't want you running your lousy mouth. Please, let's get done with this and let me get out of here.
Easy, baby.
Can you just come and do this thing and let me go? What are you doing now?
Come on.
Do this thing already now.
Chill. You know I don't like it when you rush me.
Please, just do it and don't kiss me. Can you please do this thing and not talk? Please. Don't kiss me.
Easy. Chill. Come
Just
on.
do this thing and let me get out.
Don't rush me. No, I don't like it.
Can you not just talk, please? And don't kiss me.
Who is that?
It's me, Gideon. Please open.
Come here.
Okay, thank you. She's not even here. Sorry to disturb you, man.
Yeah, it's okay. It's nothing.
Yeah, I don't know. Have you seen your sister? I've been looking for her everywhere. No trace of her.
No, I've not. Have you tried calling her on the phone?
Yes, I did. And her phone is in the room. And, okay. Anyway, sorry for the disturbance.
No, it's okay. It's fine.
Yeah, and I hope they're treating you well here.
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm comfortable.
Nice.
I enjoy the place.
Oh,
It
fantastic.
reminds me of my home.
Oh, yeah.
You know, I
okay.
have this kind of luxury in my house.
I see. Oh, you're the brother now, yeah. So,
Yeah,
of course,
the older brother.
Oh, the older brother.
Yeah,
of course, you guys are used to the luxury then.
I'm telling you, yeah. I mean, it's common with us.
No problem. I will leave you to rest. Probably we'll catch up later. Tomorrow or maybe some other time when you find time, yeah.
That won't be bad.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
If you see her, tell her that I'm looking for her.
Huh? It won't be a problem.
Okay. Good night.
Okay, good night.
Yeah.
It's out. Why are you talking so much? What's I? Come, let's finish up.
Finish up your head.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with you?
Yeah, for me. Enjoy my money, man. I'm a big boy. Come here. Come on. Feel me, man. I'ma give you $20, you know? $20. Okay, I'll make it $200. $200, you know? $200, you know? Carry you, they go. Where you want my carry on go now? Come on, I'm a big boy. I've made money. What is money? What is money? Money is nonsense, you know. Vacation in Maldives. Maldives you go. Driver, what's up? You're feeling it, right? You're my man. You my man. Don't worry, I'ma give you $200, you know? Yeah, you my man. $200, you know? Increase the volume, you know? Increase the volume. And so, I tell you. All my ladies, feel me, you know? I'ma give you $500. Okay, $1,000, you know? I'm a mad man, you know? Yeah.
Charlie.
Man.
Charlie,
My man.
Charlie don't become big boy. I beg tell us, Charlie, I take up.
I call you about no one there.
Charlie, you don't forget how we go there with the press money, night press. Nothing go come out. Sometimes you go collect 30 and make you go buy sugar. Anything you know they tell us. You don't forget saying all of us did this trip. I mean, don't go plus.
Which plus? I get mine to do plus. Which plus?
I beg, I take on happen. I beg tell us. Oh no.
Now miracle happen, my brother. I prayed. I fasted. God answered my prayer. He fast-tracked my paycheck. I tell you.
Hey, Oluwa.
I tell you.
Oluwa, when you want pick my own call now, Oluwa. I never suffer enough. Hey.
Don't worry, your own tongue will reach.
Oluwa, pick my call now. Oluwa, pick my call. I never suffer enough.
You go pick her. Hey, Bagel. More drink for the guys and more people soup for the women.
Charlie.
Hold on.
Wait, Charlie, here.
Hello? Who is this one?
Hello, Charles.
Hello? Who is this?
Charles, where are you?
Yes, this is Charlie Boy, Charlie the Don.
Charles, why did you leave with one of the cars?
Okay, do you have my 20 million naira now?
20 million.
What are you even saying? Where are you?
Call me when you have my money ready, yeah? Thank you.
Hello?
I don't like stories anymore. If it's not money, forget it. If it's not money, bullshit it. Nothing. Baby.
Na client, Jesus! Money good. Hey, Charlie, Chineke. Huh?
What be that Charlie what you know?
Hey! Charlie don't blow.
Levels are changing.
Charlie don't blow.
Levels don't change.
I beg, Charlie, I beg. Make I beg you for one thing. Make me your PA, I beg.
My PA.
I don't suffer.
He wants to be my PA.
We are here.
He wants to be my PA.
We are here.
Anyway, you know that position is a very sensitive one. Eh? I will think about it.
See, Charlie, me, I no get time for PA. If na one woman, why you stay home body for night?
They talk woman, they appoint my girls. Eh?
No get fear.
Bad girl, this guy go pay for a drink, eh? I no pay you own again.
No. Na player they no dey play with you. Charlie, why you dey do like this?
You don't want my woman again?
No, make carry woman. Give me drink.
Thunder for fire you this minute.
I know.
Instead of you to talk of millie, they talk of woman.
No.
You don't carry woman again.
No, I no do.
Hear my girl.
Is that?
Hear what he tell
You know
you?
they use broke man do friends with benefits.
He's here.
No be like that.
Drink up, girl. Hi girl, hurry, eh? My man. Drink. If you want 2 cartons, I will give you today.
Bring drinks, cartons, crates. If you get all of them, bring them. Make we bust scatter. Now once person get life, you know this life, you know day 2, my brother. You know day 2. Now one.
Enjoy now. Why?
As Charlie just cash out like this, we go shut down. Hey, who am I? I want it.
Drink up, eh? It doesn't come by all the time. Drink.
Oscar.
From Alabama? Say it.
From Alabama.
Good. Alabama? What is it you want to say?
I've not heard from you. I've not heard from you. Dylan has not even looked at me, talk more of bringing me to his room. You told me that he was going to marry me. Up till now, I've not heard anything. Are you even sure you're talking to him about me?
You hurt me? You hurt me? Oscar from Alabama does not say what he does not know. Dillian loves you. He has already told me. I've told you time and time again. Dillian is for you and no one else. Do you understand?
How come I'm seeing him with Diamond all the time? I overheard Diamond telling our chief of staff that Dylan has fallen for her.
Dylan has fallen for who?
Diamond.
For Diamond? Oh! For Diamond?
Yes.
What is Diamond? Who is Diamond? Compared to you? Don't even say that again. Listen. Dillian was meant, was created, was built for you. Know that. Listen, my friend is a very tactical person. Forget his innocent look, his calm look, his handsome look. Very tactical, very smart. He's looking at you. Diamond is nothing but a temporary sight. You, Mrs. Dillian, you are permanent sight. What did I just say?
Permanent sight.
You're not saying it without the boldness. You're not saying it like you mean it. Say it like you want Dillian.
Permanent sight.
Good. Very good. So you see, do not look at my friend like that. He's a very tactical man. He is my childhood friend, my bosom friend, my very good friend. Very smart. Do not capitalize on his look. Very calm, very quiet, very handsome. Forget his look. He is observing you from a distance, watching you from a distance, loving you from a distance, and he will walk from that distance to you. And he will reach out to your hands like this. And he would gladly kiss your hand. Just like that.
Are you sure?
Very sure. Very, very sure.
Just do your own part. I don't mind.
Mrs. Dillian, do not doubt Oscar from Alabama. Oscar?
For Dillian, for Dillian, all this right for it's for Dillian, it's for Dillian, yeah. These girls not busybody, said action doesn't work no more. That for sure is old because man.
What is it? What is it? Why are you disturbing my phone? Do you want to spoil the phone?
You and I have an unfinished business.
What business are you talking about? Listen, I owe you nothing. Stella has promised to send you some money. So what is it again?
That promise is as empty as my pocket right now. Until I see the Benjamin, that promise is owed you. Yes.
Charles, what do you want?
Simple. I mean, while I wait to receive my money tomorrow, I want you to give me a parting sex tonight.
You must be out of your mind. Are you okay? Charles, did I not tell you that we are done? I told you we are done.
No. We ain't done until I receive my money. And if I don't see my money tomorrow, or you coming to warm my bed tonight, I'm afraid your fiancé will hear everything.
To win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it.
Charles.
What?
Charles, why are you doing this to me now?
What am I
Why
doing
are you
to
doing
you?
this to me now?
I've been protecting you like a loving boyfriend. I haven't blown your cover. Yes, of course. I've not told anybody who you really are.
Charles, why are you doing this to me?
I'm not doing it.
Why are you doing this to me? Why are you frustrating me? Why?
I am not frustrating you. I mean, balance it. I'm fair enough. Come on.
This is very funny. All this drama every day is funny. Yeah.
That's small.
The drama is hurting me and bothering me.
Yes, sir.
Action.
Marry any of us may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl.
Impossible!
That can never happen, not in this.
Can you imagine that small girl asking me to pick up the towel that she used in wiping her smelly mouth? Just imagine.
She did it on purpose. Of course, to have a chance with my Dillion, not in this life, not even in the next. If you ask me, there is trouble.
How do you mean?
Our individual plan to get Dillion, marry any of us, may have come to an end with the arrival of that girl. Impossible! I will not allow that meet with her.
Charles. Why don't you come and have this time with us? Sis.
That's how you get this done. But if you come back and settle it or to tell Daniel and his family, it will be stupid.
Like you called her. There's no match to me. Come on, take a good look at me now. Hey, just look at me. Full option. Eh? I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka, and Azu to me. Come on, girls, take a good look at me now. Eh? Look at me. Eh? Full option. I can cook, I can sweep, I can clean, I have sense, I have Nkiruka, and I have Azuka to back it up. So, does that not make me a complete?
Okay. Don't lose it, mommy, auntie, mama, mom, please, you know me now. Am I not diamond?
Preserve of the rich, mighty, classy, and influential.
Okay. Hey, sister. I don't know. I will say the truth.
Hey, look at me.
Oh, okay. Sorry.
Fred, Abby.
Do I know you?
Every woman.
Every woman, yeah.
One, two.
Fred? You both are sisters?
Yes, sister, is it not your idea? Is it not your idea? Ma, it's the idea.
You plus sisters.
It's true you want to help our family because Mama and Papa have died.
No, I'm very sorry. Please forgive me. I wanted to be part of this family so strongly that I had to bring my sister whose beauty she was wasting with that guy out there. Please forgive me, I'm sorry.
So,
Be mindful of the other lady before she runs away. Please stand the slow motion. Take this guy out of here.
This way, this way. I mean this way. What's the problem? Do you want me to injure you? Oh yeah. Please enter. Fine.
This world is full of surprises. Who could believe that Diamond is a poor riffraff from one slum?
You see, I have always known that that girl has something up her sleeves. She was just a wolf in a sheep's clothing. Thank God Nemesis has caught up with her.
Oh, my poor Dillion. My Dillion baby. See what a stupid girl has done to your emotions. I wish you never crossed your path. I wish you could just look very much deeper to see a heart that yearns for you, that craves for you.
What is wrong with this one?
Madness. Madness! She's going mad.
Chelsea,
What is it?
Dillion asked me to call you.
Really? He asked you to call me? He sent you to call me. I mean, he sent him to call me.
Hi, Fred.
Hi.
Yeah, poor boy. Imagine getting dumped by someone that you see every day just because of one man like that. Someone you don't even show off.
Hey! Oh, Chelsea will not kill you. Very painful. It's very painful.
If you want to win a man, baby, try and be yourself. No games at all. If you fake it, you break it. They forming what I'm calling busybody. Yeah, this is very funny.
Send for me, sir.
Yeah.
What would you like me to do for you?
I've been thinking lately.
About what, sir?
I've discovered you're the most competent and smart one in this estate.
Thank you so much, sir. I mean, it's been years of ceaseless hard work.
Oh. Good. So to add to your task in this estate, I would like for you to be my personal assistant. That's if you wouldn't mind, and I hope I wouldn't be encroaching on your duties in this estate.
Not at all, sir. It is perfectly okay. As a matter of fact, this is the best news I have ever heard, sir. Thank you. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Okay, and as for your pay, don't worry, there'll be increment in your salary, okay? Yeah. So what you'll be doing for me is just basic things like you follow me to shopping, and yeah, sometimes you can even do it yourself without me being there on my behalf. Just little basic things. And what are they? Yes. Also, I'll be needing your advice on certain things in this estate, my way around, okay?
You have no problem, sir. Trust me. Anything, anyhow, anywhere, whenever you want it, I will be right there for you, sir. Thank you.
Yeah, great. Okay, starting with this minute, probably just help me get a glass of drink.
Okay, sir.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Even when you're faking it, it won't last for so long. True love is so natural, and nothing can.
Look at your faces.
Girls, I told you. I told you, but you wouldn't listen. Now it has happened. It has come to pass.
And why are you celebrating like he's proposed to you already? Ooh. He only made you his personal assistant, nothing more. So stop that rubbish.
What is that I perceive? Can you perceive it?
Truth.
Envy, my darling. You ooze of jealousy. All right? Listen up, darling. Listen up. Now, I have my Dillion exactly where I want him to be, which is by my side. It hurts, right? And no, darling. I know that look, my darling, but you know what? You are not my problem because I have some preparations to do. I need to get new shoes, new colognes, and most importantly, study hard because it's not...
How about Einstein? Get encyclopedia. I mean, get out.
Oh my God, baby girl, take it easy. You know, it's not easy taking care of a man like you, so I need to study hard. You understand, right? Huh? You know what? You girls get well soon. Woo!
Did you see that?
So Chelsea has finally gotten him to herself, huh?
Chelsea is only bluffing. I mean, there is no way on earth that Dillion is going to marry Chelsea as his wife or concubine. That's not possible.
But you heard her. She was given another appointment.
And so what? And so?
It means that if Dillion never intended them to marry, by the reason of their closeness, things will naturally begins to happen.
Nonsense. Arrant nonsense. I mean, Dillion is a businessman. And you won't tell me that this is the first time he's going to be having a female as his assistant. Like... You know what? As far as I'm concerned, I am very much in this game. No leave, no transfer. Chelsea is bluffing.
Here. Chelsea. Dillion.
Jane, be careful now.
Will you stop screaming? Did I ask you to go jogging?
You will take it easy now. It's very painful.
But come on, what were you thinking when going on a suicide mission with Dillion?
Yeah, I noticed you love exercise every morning now. Be careful now.
And you decided to lie that you exercise every day. Really, Dora? Really?
Yeah, because I wanted him to notice me now. Besides, I've heard and seen couples that met at the gym and got married.
You bought into such narratives. And look at what you're going through. My friend, put your leg on.
Be careful now.
Don't let me slap you.
Hey boy, it's that side that is paining me. Just press it small.
Nobody's saying the one way you do so. Nonsense. You are even telling me to shut up. Nobody's saying the way you go. Now you put yourself for this one.
It's okay.
I will leave this thing now.
You're not doing it now. You're being wicked. It's okay now.
What could they not say now?
Don't do.
What? What did it happen? Where is my daughter? My goodness. Okay. All right. I'm going to send another car immediately to come pick her up. All right? Okay. Goodness. James, listen. You have to go to Osalenga's Drive right now and go and pick up my daughter. All right? good. Oh, good gracious me.
Mom, what's with Laura?
Your sister was hit by a reckless driver.
What? Is she okay?
She's not hurt, but the escort with her, got hurt, but is receiving treatment at a nearby clinic.
Okay. But what could have possibly happened?
Reckless driver. Goodness.
Okay, at least it's a relief she wasn't hurt.
My goodness.
Anyway, I have to run along for my business.
Where are you going to?
I have an appointment with someone.
Girl.
Oh.
Yes. Yeah, sure. Because since the thing with Diamond did not work out, so surely you should be on the lookout for a better replacement.
Well, you can say that again. Yep, see you later, Mom. Before you start listening to my business.
But what you're wearing, is it good enough? Are you sure you look good? Okay. Yeah.
Bye, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Sir, are you okay? I mean, you went in happy and expectant, coming out looking like this.
Okay, now what's wrong with every woman around here? I mean, how many boyfriends? No, how many boyfriends does an average Nigerian woman have?
I don't understand, sir.
Okay, I was in there having lunch with this lady and all of a sudden one lousy guy from nowhere just came out, dragged her out and started pummeling her. And is that supposed to be funny?
I'm so sorry, sir. I mean...
You better be.
You shouldn't be surprised, sir. This is Nigeria. Lots of shit happen around here.
This is Nigeria, really? Which means I should have picked up a girl from the UK.
Oh, no.
Is that what you're trying to say?
No, sir.
Then what?
That's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that there are lots of women down here in Nigeria. I can tell you with all sincerity that we have lots of good women here. Maybe you just haven't looked deep enough.
How do you mean?
I mean, you should stop looking up and start looking down. You will realize that there is someone who is more than willing to be your wife.
Really? Look, Chelsea, I'm exhausted, I'm tired. I can't continue dinner with this. Stop. Can you stop? Stop this car right now, reverse.
Madam, send.
Don't be waiting for you. Calm down. You don't say fire.
And your beauty made me the call. You're not doing anything, no.
Calm down. Don't worry, I'll catch you.
Hello.
Oga, what do you want? I get body. I get fish. I get this. Oga, what do you want?
My name is Dillian. I've been looking for you.
Sir, please, let's go. This place is not...
I know they tell strangers my name, Oga, abeg. And if you no wan buy, come dey go. You dey block my customers with that gun wey dey there. Abeg. Even if you come around tomorrow, if you know they buy, no come here. Here na strictly business.
Sir?
How do you feel now?
I feel much better.
That's a good thing. I'm sorry for this.
Sorry for what?
The accident.
Come on, Mom. It's an accidental hazard, right? So it's not your fault, so you don't have to be sorry.
And it's the first time you're facing such an occupational hazard. And it's all happened because of me. I am sorry.
I understand. It's not your fault, like I said. Okay? So you don't have to be sorry, Mom.
Laura.
Yes, Laura.
It's okay. Don't worry. You'll be fine, okay?
Okay.
Laura.
Oh.
Hey, bro.
How are you?
Good, sir.
Yeah, good. You don't want to sit. Yeah. Yeah, I heard what happened. And I hope you're not badly injured.
Yeah, I'm doing much better now, sir.
So sorry about that.
If you don't mind, I have something to do inside.
It's fine.
Alright, thank you, sir.
Hey, baby girl, baby sister. Yeah, I hope you're not injured. Hey.
Oh, I'm fine.
You sure?
It's just Fred.
And what about him?
I'm so worried about him.
Worry, we'll be fine. Okay?
I hope so.
You'll be fine. So, guess what?
What?
Guess what?
You know I'm not good at that.
Okay. I ran into your mystery model today.
You did?
Yes, I did.
Bro. I think you're falling for that girl.
Shush it.
You're going to fall for that girl, bro.
I comment my reserve.
So many fall in love, but with the wrong one. While some have given up and say love is weak. Different experiences, diverse testimonies, but the truth remains that love is beautiful. Maybe when you're faking it, it won't last for so long.
There's no need to even reach out to her. I don't know what to do about this. Hey, sorry, madam. Madam, sorry, excuse me. Sorry, I don't have a word. The lady who sells plantain and beans here.
Oh, but a woman.
Yes, please.
What happened?
I'm looking for her. I don't know. She was here yesterday, but I think she didn't open today.
Today she not come out.
Why do you know?
I don't know. I resemble her mother. I don't know.
Okay. Do you? Okay, no problem. Thank you.
Why did they even look for herself?
Don't worry. Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah. I'm sorry. Please, one more, please. So sorry. Do you know where she lives?
I don't know. I say, why they look for her? No one talk. I don't know.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you.
You two ask questions.
I don't know why Nigerians are too aggressive. Just simple question and polite approach would do. But fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do.
I was wondering, what is it my friend has with this person that has no class? I mean, it is obvious she is not in your class. She's not in your league. She's got nothing to do with you. What is it you have with this person?
See, the truth is that aside the fact that she's sweet under the sheet.
Aha! Sweet under the sheet.
What's wrong with you, Oscar?
Very important.
Aside the fact that she's sweet under the sheet, she's an amazing cook. Like she kept me away from missing home for a very long time. Yes, because she made amazing meals.
Under the shit.
Under the shit.
That is the most important thing you have said.
I know, right?
Under the shit. Whatever we do in life, brother, let us not forget one sweet part. One very important part. Under the shit.
That's from you. Okay, yeah. Trust me, aside the fact that she's so sweet under that shit.
I like to hear that word.
Nah, trust me, she no, I'll take your ring.
The sound of that lifts my spirit. Anything.
She's a fantastic cook. Trust me. She's a fantastic. She made an amazing meal that made me forget about home.
Wait a minute. Let it not be what I am thinking.
Which is?
She made your favorite African salad.
You know the drill.
2 things you love so much.
Which are?
Under the shit. African salad.
If you know, you know.
What are we chasing to?
I don't know what. Hey, come on. We come on. We have to. Oh, let's not before we drink.
Alright. So what are we chasing to?
So don't say rubbish.
Better honest.
I'll pour you the drink.
Under the shit. It has to be. No, I know my friend very well. 2 things he doesn't play with. Under the shit. African salad.
So you tell me, what have you been up to in this estate? So what you'll tell me, what's been happening here? Because I know you've never been to anything good in your life.
Freddy! Fred, no, you're not going to get You're not serious. Thank you. Are you sure? So tell me, how much do you love me? Really? Are you sure? Naman is going to kill you.
I don't mind dying for you.
I'm tired.
Need some water.
Need some water, right? You're the one that needs some water.
Yeah. I'm coming again.
Coming where?
Thank you.
Let me quickly rush to the shop. My customers are waiting.
Thank you.
Please.
Thank you.
What do you want from me? Why do you keep looking for me everywhere and asking people about me?
I can't help it. I can't get you out of my head. You now live rent-free in my head. And the only way to get you out of it is to decapitate me.
Then so be it.
I'm sorry. Please, just give me some time. There is something I would like to show you. I'm sure you'd love it.
Where did you get this from?
You know,